And so this is the last piece for me to be done with sewing of the sash. I am ironing the last sash I have done. This is it. This is the last bit, the last sash piece. When I'm done ironing, I close up this hole where I brought it out from, pull it out. It's just like sewing a tote bag, like sewing pillowcases, certain things like that, or even making of pillows, If you are in the sewing niche, you understand this process. So for you to do a very neat job, I will close up here with the needle as I'm done ironing. I did many pieces of it. Look at them here. They are ready to be submitted, to be delivered to my client. This is it. I am yet to close up the hole, but it's a good job in its entirety. Look at all of them. Look at how they look. Look at them. Different shades of blue and different color of fringes. Look at them. So this is the end. I'm yet to close the hole and to be delivered tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel,